Welcome to Stabbing Battery. April Fools! That was fake. Let's get to the real thing. If you hear whirring noises whatsoever in the background, that's my flip clock. The motor's not so good. But we're gonna start off with a bit of soldering, isn't it? Also, I'm using this tip now, as I've realized if I hold it this angle, it just functions the same as the other one, so... let's just take this apart whilst that's heating up. So that I can prepare it. Oh. I hope these wires don't just disintegrate when I try to solder to them. I really don't want that. Also, I don't need a lot. I don't need everything that's on this board really. I can cut off a load of it, so that will do that too. Because I'm not reusing this board in the alarm clock. I can always USB mod that thing. Whatever. It's a bit held together a bit well. There we go. I mean, we don't need all of this board, do we? So let's just do some identification. Okay, let's see. Cutting it flush. There we go. I mean, I don't know what to do with the 5-volt regulator, but I'm just gonna remove that to trim it down even further, as it's not required. Sorry, I can't properly desolder SMD components. So, goodbye, regulator. Goodbye. We'll miss you. But I cannot easily remove these components. I always end up breaking them anyway. This one's actually on there pretty well. It's not coming off. There we go. Took the 5-volt regulator apart as well. Huh. Take the rest of it. There we go. The regulator's off. It's no longer usable though, but I mean, let's prepare this USB cord real quick. See if this tip works. Oh yes. I made a hole to stick the wire through. Yes, this tip works. Are we gonna have a good success here? Oh wait, I think the hole's still blocked off. No, here we go. There we go. We've got a hole. And then we have to fill it up with solder now. This is going ridiculously smoothly. Alrighty, am I gonna see a success again with this soldering iron? After all of the fails. Are we finally gonna see a bit of success? I think we may just see some success. We're looking good already. Look at that, another hole. So you've got a free capacitor, filtering. I just wanted to get this clock a new life. have to maneuver my way in. No, no strands of wire sticking out. Oh, I did the VCC wrong. Oopsie. Because I don't want this to break easily. Okay, we're gonna have to wipe away the solder again. Oopsie. Wait, it's sticking now. It's actually sticking. Okay, but I'm gonna have to push that through. Unless it's hot. It's gonna be quite difficult. Okay. Getting there. Get out of the way, black wire. How annoying will the clock be when I'm sleeping, because it is an alarm clock after all. Look at that, soldered! That's bloody damn perfect. Alright. Look at that. Just gonna have to cut off the excess now. Oh, is that soldering pad lifting up? No, it isn't. Okay, it just looked like that for a second. Nothing's. Oh, that's too smooth. Oh well, I'll trim that then. Alright, so this board is already done. Wow, this is going smoothly. Let's take apart this thing. Because we need to do something with that too. I'm gonna be making more videos, also on a GPS thingy, Elitech Speeding Master. There are no modern updates available though. But I gotta now do these guys. So can I just wipe away the solder like I did last time? Oh, you betcha I can. No, I just soldered it shut. Aha! Hey, look at that. But that's where the orange wire has to go. This is not even how the factory did it through those holes. Solder. You know, cold solder joint, but it's good enough. I'm probably doing this off camera. Well, I guess we'll have to solder that wire there to the switch. Because I just ripped the soldering trace off. Yeah, I think I have excess wire, but it don't matter. Because I'm gonna reinforce the wires better than it did in the factory anyway. Alright. Now come to the thingy. Alright, I'm gonna first off clean off my soldering bit thingy. Just before I wipe away again, because that went wrong there. Alrighty. No, I need too much wiping for that. Cool it on. Because I don't want to rip off a trace again. I guess that's not doable at this side, so I just gotta do what I can do at least here. That beginning was very smooth. I don't want the LCD cable sitting away from this. Because I don't want to break it. Okay. Frame off. Why am I doing that all the time? I don't know. I just have those moments that I do that. Come on! Ugh. Oh, this wire came unsoldered. Oh well. Maybe that came later, I don't know. God. I think the wires are a bit too short. Let's just move it against that. There we go, that's better. It's not going to be perfect, but at least it's going to be something. Oh yeah, I was going to solder something else too. It's going to be a bit of a difficult part to solder, but it is doable. The one that's shorting across, otherwise the LED may be continuously turned on or shorted. I didn't even do it correctly, but I'm gonna seal that off correctly anyway. I'm gonna be taking apart this to just remove the dust. Same goes for this. Oh. By the way, I want to show you something. This, where that square is, that's the LCD. The rest is just all blank. Okay. Now before I put one of the screws in, I'm going to wrap around the cable around it. It's going to be a bit of maneuvering with that new wiring arrangement, but it is possible. There we go. I mean, the reason I'm wrapping it around one screw is so as to hold the cable, because that's what actually also broke the alarm clock in the first place. I mean, I don't really care about the alarm clock. It was a piece of crap. Like, it never worked right. And I once put it on, and basically the alarm clock itself was already damaged anyway, so why care? Well, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna like wrap it around the screw post and hope it still fits together. This is what most factories do, by the way. Wrapping it around the screw post. I don't even know if this will fit together well. And the cable's too short. There we go, that's a problem. Yeah, this is gonna be something. Without accidentally disconnecting something. I'm just gonna wrap it around this one. With a bit of play in the cable still. I mean, it doesn't have to be outrageously long outside of it. But I mean, it should still have a bit of length to it. But not that you can easily break it. Okay. Oh wait, I need to put one screw extra in. Oh, hold on. Okay, screw that down completely. Let's see if the buttons are still there. Yep, the buttons are still there. Turn that off. Don't need that. For now. Am I off camera again? There's a bit of a squeeze, but I can make it happen. No, yeah, this is gonna be a bit of a short cable, but Let's just test it real quick. We'll get a power supply. Of course, it's got to be a Chinese power supply this time. If I had taken that with it, I forgot. Oh well, I would have just plumbed straight into 5 amps. Oh well. What's the worst that can happen? Oh, good life. Wait a minute. Ha! Look at that. It's 1 o'clock. If I can get it in a focus. Oh dear. There's a dark spot. Oh wait, no, it's just 101. Time? Oh dear. Is there a dark spot? Or is this because... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna close the curtains. I'm gonna point it at the wall and I'm gonna say what I'm seeing. Oh god, it's dark. I mean, I've got life? Oh, the 3 is a bit dark. No, wait. This is how it looked when it was new. I fixed it. It's working. Okay, can I do it on the desk? Yes! Look at that. That's a functioning clock. There. Hey! I've got a USB projection clock now. And the LED hasn't taken a single bit of damage from being put through 50 amps when I was first testing it. The LED is a bit off though, but if you're looking at it on the ceiling, it's not really noticeable, and it was like this when it was new. So, I call that fixed. Haha! So, I fixed it. I can now use this wherever I want. If you're looking at the backup battery, she'll just be resetting it all the time. Alright, time to my next video.